What's up, guys? Tesla Man here, and today we're going on a field trip. Let's go. Hey guys, I'm excited. I'm like a little kid in a candy store because I'm in a Tesla store here in Orlando, Florida Mall, taking a look at the Model X, Model S, and Model 3. As you can see, the Model 3 has a very sleek design. Didn't get a chance to sit down and check out some of the features, but I did get the chance to sit and experience the Model X and S. I really wanted to spend some serious time in here, conduct a lengthy review of these vehicles, but I was pressed for time. The store is very busy. There were so many people and this wasn't planned, but I was able to sit down for a little while and navigate through that immaculate 17-inch screen. Just looking at some of the options that the Model X and the Model S had to offer. So right now I'm sitting in the Model X, and before I sat in the driver's seat, I jumped back there in the third row just to see how much space a passenger will have. I was actually really surprised that I could sit fairly comfortable in the third row. However, after a long period of time, you would definitely want more room to extend your legs. Navigating through the options on this display is fun, especially for the tech geeks. I really enjoy having that visual of the car and the ability to see open doors, open sunroof, current suspension settings, and other options with interactive visual images of the vehicle's current settings. I remember talking to a Tesla Model X owner about a year and a half ago, and I asked him how he liked it, and he basically said that you would have to pry the keys from his cold, dead body. So here I am, my favorite Tesla, the Model S. Now, I did get to test drive the Model S a few years ago. You can immediately tell something is different about this vehicle from the time you shift into the drive and push the go pedal, which I guess that makes sense because it's all electric, so the gas pedal wouldn't really make sense. So there was this lady right beside me before I entered the vehicle, got really excited as the door handles extended out before I opened the door and sat in the vehicle. Just little things like that really catches the potential buyer's attention. Played with the display on the Model X and the S and really saw how intuitive and easy it was to make changes and navigate through the different options. Well, my wife really liked the Model S P100D, especially the quality of the sound system, which is, I guess the best word is phenomenal. Well, guys, hope you enjoyed the video, and I plan to do many more reviews and videos on Tesla, which as of this day is one of my favorite electric vehicles and inspiration for my YouTube channel name. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe, and hey, I'll see you guys next time.